today's video, we are going to make a Irish White Russian. Let's start with ice. Ice in a glass. Vodka. Vodka, just 1/3 of this glass. 1/3. Kahlua liqueur, coffee flavored liqueur. Just 1/3 also of this. Like that. And do you know, guys, this one is already a drink which called Black Russian. And if you are going to put a cream on it, it's gonna be called White Russian. And today we are going to make a Irish White Russian. So let's add a Baileys, because Baileys is a Irish liqueur. Liqueur. I don't know. How does this pronounce liqueur? Liqueur. Let's just from it. So it will be called as there. So it became Irish White Russian. Let's put with the cherry. Yummy cherry. There. Just in the top. And a straw. White Russian. Don't forget, guys, don't forget to try. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below what video you want me to do next, or you can comment down the recipes that you want me to do. So thank you, guys, and bye. See you in my next video.